Welcome to AI Made Simple. This is episode 1, and today, we'll answer a big question. What is artificial intelligence or AI? AI means teaching computers to think and act like humans, not with emotions, but with logic and data. It's about doing smart tasks like understanding language, recognizing images, or solving problems. Imagine a machine that can learn from experience, just like we do. That's the power of AI. AI helps computers analyze huge amounts of data quickly, faster than any human could do. A simple example. When your phone suggests words while you're typing, that's AI at work. Another example is Google Maps. When it shows you the fastest route, even during traffic, that's AI too. You've also seen AI in voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. They hear your voice, understand it, and respond. But how does AI learn? It uses something called machine learning. This means learning from patterns in data. If you show a computer thousands of photos of cats, it learns what a cat looks like and can spot cats in new pictures. That's how Facebook recognizes faces in your photos. Or how YouTube suggests videos you might like. Netflix uses AI too. It learns from what you watch and recommends shows just for you. AI isn't only for fun, it's saving lives. In healthcare, it helps doctors detect diseases earlier. In finance, it spots fraud. In education, it creates personalized learning. And in cars, yes, AI helps with self-driving. But AI isn't perfect. It only knows what we teach it. If the data is biased, the AI might be unfair or make mistakes. That's why humans must guide AI, not just use it blindly. So, should we be afraid of AI? No, we should understand it and use it wisely. This channel will help you do just that with simple explanations, real examples, and useful tools. AI Made Simple. Learn AI. Use it wisely. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss the next episode.